video, I am going to show you how to make this beautiful hybrid hand deodorizer that easily blends with water. Hello everybody, I am Ilham from Skin Chakra, the place to purchase excellent quality cosmetic raw material and to learn how to formulate like a cosmetic chemist. I am probably the only chemist in the world who cannot cook, and during the pandemic I tried to learn cooking, or at least learn to cook the very basics, since we couldn't go to restaurants to eat. And what that unnerved me was the after smell of onion, garlic and other raw material on the hand and fingers hours and hours after cooking. So I designed this product which you can use anywhere and everywhere, especially for kitchen, and so that you can fill it in a kind of pump bottle or squeeze bottle and have it beside your sink as a hand deodorizer during or after you are cooking. It is a hybrid oleogel hand wash like the one we made in the last video, but I took it to the next level and added an exfoliant to it so that you can use it to remove the stains of food material such as turmeric or beetroot from your hands and fingers as well. The surfactant phase is now added, and although it is already an amazing product on its own, I am going to take it to the next level and adding our Brazil nut exfoliant. Very slowly and gradually, and let the exfoliant completely blend before adding the next portion. All of the exfoliant is added now and is uniformly dispersed. Now I'm going to turn off the mixer and measure the pH. You can measure the pH before or after adding the exfoliant. I should confess I forgot to measure it before adding the exfoliant. It's more convenient and cleaner if you do that, but there is no objection to measuring the pH after adding the exfoliant as well. This is the consistency of the product, nice and smooth, medium viscosity, which is perfect for a lotion pump. And now we are going to make a 10% dilution and measure and adjust the pH. I'm doing that off camera, but I will mention all of the details in the blog post. I have adjusted the pH by adding lactic acid. This is a preservative-free product, and you don't need to take care of the preservative for pH adjustment, but still you want to have a skin-friendly pH range. I aimed for a pH between 4.5 and 5, and I adjusted the pH by 4.9. And that's the consistency and appearance, and it blends easily with water, as you can see, and turns to a milk and has a very nice after rinse skin feel. You can fill it in whatever container you like. I prefer to fill it in a kind of pump bottle beside the kitchen sink. It is very practical, but you can fill it in tubes or other squeeze bottles even if you like. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and enjoy making and using the product. Thanks for your attention. See you soon in another tutorial. Bye bye.